So there are some examples I have written on the board. 2-digit and 3-digit. First, I will teach you 2-digit number multiplication. Hello everyone, my name is Tejasvi Sharma. Welcome back to Tejasvi Ki video. After a long time, I am going to make a video about multiplication. Today I am going to teach you multiplication. A lot of the students in this classes, when ma'am says to do a multiplication sum, they are confused. That's why I am going to teach them how to do multiplication easily. So after a long time I am here to make a video. So I will try to make videos regularly. Let's start to learn multiplications. So there are some examples I have written on the board. 2-digit and 3-digit. First I will teach you 2-digit number multiplication. So first of all, there are 3 2s we have to do or 2 3s. Tell me what is 3 2s? Correct. 6. So we will write 6 here. Now we have to do? Again we have to do 3 2s 6. The answer would be 66. Next question. What is 9 7s and 7 9s are same? So I will do 7 9s. 7 9s is 63. So 6 will go up and 3 will be down. Now 7 9s are 63 again. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So we will write here 69. The answer would be 693. Now I will teach you 3-digit number multiplication. 3-digit number multiplication are too easy to do. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 will be down and 1 will be up and 8 will be down. 2 3s are 6. Now we will take the carry over, then the answer would be 7. The final answer is 782. The last 8 2s or 2 8s is same. So I will do 8 2s. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 1 will be up and 6 will be down. Now 8 7s and 7 8s are same. I will take 7 8s. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. 56 is the answer. We will take the carry over. The answer would be 57. I have written 5 up and 7 down. Now 8 4s. 8 4s is 32. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 37. Done. See, it is too easy to do. 2-digit, 3-digit I have done. If your kids are in 2nd or 3rd class, this video is very helpful for them. If you enjoyed my video and liked it and subscribe it and comment me and share with your friends and family. Thank you.